Hi everyone, and I welcome back to my English class. I am Johir speaking before you all. I'm really excited about today's lesson because you all helped me to create this video. I asked my followers to tell me some of the most difficult pairs of English words that may students genuinely find tough to remember or to say or to differentiate between words like effect and effect. Of course, there is the dissimilarity between effect or effect. Most of the time we are confusing. We are not able to pronounce the effect or effect, though there is the similarity whenever I'm going to pronunciation. So in this case, of course, we are facing so many problems. So right now I would like to cooperate you how to understand this lesson, how to make it clear. So let's see the sentence. Both can take the form of a noun and a verb. Effect and effect both can take the form of a noun and a verb. Am I right? Of course you are right. So I would like to say something else. Effect. Effect is most commonly a verb. Effect is most commonly a noun. So usually something affects something to produce an effect. So right now I would like to show you some of the examples. Though I have told both can take the form of a noun and a verb. So how both of words can take a noun, a verb? Look at that. Look at the first sentence, or look at first thing. To effect. To influence something. To effect means to influence something. Do video games have an effect on children's behavior? That's my question. So could you please tell me, is it verb or noun? Of course you are right. Do video games have an effect on children's behavior? So is it verb or noun? Before this word already we got article. Yes, you are right. Do video games have an effect? Effect is noun here. I mean, effect introduces us noun on children's behavior. Thank you so much. And the next one, the example, effect is a result or an influence. Effect is a result or an influence. So right now look at the example. The main thing is that, the real fact is that effect is a result. Effect is a result or an influence. So look at the example. Do video games have an effect on children's behavior? So is it effect or effect? There has been used effect, there has been used effect. Of course you got the point. Effect and effect, both of words are used here as noun. Am I right? As a noun. You are right. Effect. Before effect I have used here an article. Before effect I have used here an article. So do video games have an effect on children's behavior? Yes, you got the point. That is noun. So look at the rest of the examples. Now, effect can be used as a verb. Effect can be used as a verb to achieve or to produce. However, we have to effect. There is an example. We have to effect a change in policy. We have to effect. So have to, and then I have used here principal verb, that is effect. We have to effect a change in policy. Did you get the point? Of course you got the point. That is verb. The next one, affect. My 2 years in prison deeply affected me. You can got the point. I would like to say something about Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for long years. So I can say here, long years, 7 years or 10 years long in prison, deeply affected Nelson Mandela. Deeply affected Nelson Mandela. Yes, you are right. So there has been used affected, that is verb, and effect is also verb. So effect can be used as a verb, affect can be used as a verb, effect can be used as a noun, affect can be used as a noun. Of course you got the point, and I hope you can remove your confusion after the lesson is over. Already you got the point and you have understood. I was able to make you understand. I was able to make you clear. So if you practice more than once, inshallah you will do better. However, and the rest of the words, also there are so many problems. There are some of the confusing words I am showing here. Look at that, effect and affect. Already I have shown. The next one, either or either, neither. Next one, except, x, I mean except, accept. There is the confusion. Of course we have a lot of confusion. Lose, there is also the confusion. Assure, ensure, and insure. Of course there is also confusion. And next class inshallah I will try to cooperate you. If you face any problem, please comment in my comment box. Of course I will share you the problem. I will make you clear the lesson, inshallah. However, thank you so much just for today. So we will have still get more confusing pairs in just confusing words, but I'm going to just stop the lesson right now. I don't wanna overload you because it's so difficult to understand the lesson clearly, but you have tried best to listen to me. So next time we will have second pair, we will have second part of this lesson or the same lesson. I think this lesson will really help you to get the ideas, thoughts or views or these differences and confusing words into your brain. So however, I will see you soon for another lesson, and before getting the lesson, please I request you all, those who are the students of school going student, those who are school going student or college going student or university going student, every student can face such a problem. That's why I have made a video. Please, if I help you properly or spontaneously, please I request you all comment in my comment box so that I can do something else for the welfare of the learners or for the welfare of the weak students. Thank you. Inshallah you will keep me in your prayers so that I can come back for the next class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.